If you're not on a G Suite workspace, this is a real cool way for you to understand labels inside of your free Gmail. So now that you've already connected and created your account, what happens is on the left hand side, you're going to see your inbox, and then you're going to see the label here that has been created. This is a little arrow. You can remove the label, you can edit the labels, work emails, and hit save. And what happens is when it creates that email label, you'll see all of your emails coming in from your new professional business email. You'll see all of them coming into this label. Inside of Gmail, well, you can go to settings, go to see all settings, and then right here, you're going to see labels under general, and then it says labels. You'll see all your labels. You can hide, keep, you can create new labels, and those will show up here to allow you to organize your email. Just remember that you do have your main inbox coming here. And when you're in your inbox, it's real easy in the free Gmail to check the box and come over here to the little move to, and you can move it to your workflows. But again, you can master all of that under C settings and your labels, and all of that is in here. If you don't want to have a label, then you can just go ahead and remove the label and everything will come in your inbox. So they make it pretty easy still to manage all your stuff. I like to have labels professionally. I will do labels for anything that's billing related, so I can always reach back if I need a receipt or something online. I usually will do work emails if it's related to customers. I'll usually create a label, easy to search. You can also do a label that says work or personal. Again, with free G Suite, Gmail only allows you so much space. You can see this being my personal, I'm going to run out of space. You can always buy more space on your free Gmail or just go back in and clean up emails. One thing that does fill up a lot with a personal Gmail is your spam. So last quick tip is look at your junk mail and make sure you've emptied all that out. And then if you're looking for your spam email, you can see there's like just a bunch of junk. You just want to make sure nothing's spam that could be important. And then you can just check all of them and delete it. This will tend to clear out a lot of that space and continue to keep you up to date where you're not reaching all of your gig space here. With IONOS email, you do have a certain amount of space inside of your email. So be sure you clean out your email. I would say monthly, or again, if it's just junk mail, go ahead and delete it. If you're looking to set it up on your mobile phone, we're not going to go through videos and training on that. It's going to be real easy. You'll just select Apple and then Android. And then of course, if you're using Outlook or Apple Mail on your other desktop computers, you can also go in here. These are walkthrough instructions on how to set it up. You'll see there's good graphics. I wanted to mainly go over the IMAP and the Gmail because I feel like a lot of people use a free Gmail, and this would help you basically get organized with getting both your personal and your Gmail, and then also being able to have all your work emails in one spot and be able to reply using that same exact professional email as you're talking to people. And that's it. Enjoy.